Sabi ng Supreme Court, unconstitutional, they will take it as gospel.
Yes.
Without even thinking of like the facts that's presented to them. Kaya po ang importante na hindi talaga sila makialam. Kasi
Constitutional law consists not only of the Constitution, but also of the cases decided by the Supreme Court on constitutional grounds. So you cannot just say that just because you are literate and can read the Constitution in the same manner that you read a newspaper account or a best-selling book, that you already know what the Constitution says. Constitution plus cases decided by the Supreme Court equals constitutional law.
Kasi
Ang tawag kasi sa kanila, Gabe, the gods of Padre Faura. They're the highest court,
Yeah,
kaya Diyos
but-
sila eh.
exactly.
But they're not infallible.
At saka yung bringing up mong point kanina, Kuya Chris, na biglang nagsisilabasan yung technicalities and naghahanap sila ng loopholes kung paano.
That is what the Supreme Court said. That is the only authoritative interpretation of those provisions of the Constitution that I have just read. They are not supposed to be interpreted by that group downstairs. And I was bombarded with the whining and the moaning and the groaning of all those people who seem to think that just because there is a Constitution as a printed document, every person and his mother has a right to interpret it. That is bodacious disregard of the Constitution, which is supreme in our country. Magbasa naman tayo ng ating saligang batas bago tayo magsalita. Kung mali ba o tama ba o ano bang dapat ginawa. Eh kung sa tingin nila mas magaling pa sila